Well, that's great.
That proves 1 point.
There's a point at some point where you got to put the bullets in the gun, Andy. Hey, I don't know who put it on video, but I'm so glad I got that.
Way down on there, so you're looking right down the top of the barrel. And it's always best if you start over here a little bit, and then as it goes out, you swing towards it, and then hit it. Because it gets the BBs to spread out a little bit. Pull.
Good shot. All right.
First timer. First timer, that's all that counts.
Yep, he just popped his cherry.
Oh. Yeah, that was Yeah, but Frank's right on top of him.
Yep.
Oh.
Right.
You want me to do it?
You don't have to cock
Someone
it.
else
It's an
can do
automatic.
it.